And a good day, ladies and gentlemen. I literally just parked my car in the midst of a hurricane. So yeah, not sure exactly what we're gonna do. Headed to Universal Studios, Florida. The major outdoor attractions are currently closed, but the rain should cease sooner than later-ish, hopefully. But yeah, just gonna kind of see what's open. Hopefully lower lines than a normal day today. And it's been quite some time since I've been to Universal Studios, you know, in the midst of traveling and all the summer flair. But yeah, either way, guys, come with me, let's have some fun. Not sure if it's Islands of Adventure or regular good old Universal, but either way, we're gonna walk on in and see what the game plan is. Welcome to Theme Park Tempo.
Wake up every day, theme parks on my mind. Ride the big coasters, leave the world behind. Theme Park Tempo, loving every ride. Theme Park Tempo, feel the thrill inside. Theme Park Tempo, stream it every night. Theme Park Tempo, stop me, ride the light.
The rain is really coming down now. Most of the storm is actually past us, and that was mostly last night into this morning. But yeah, I actually bartend at Aquatica now. This is my new place of business, and we closed the water park today. We didn't even open today. It's crazy that they're open here, but Volcano Bay did close. All water parks are closed today, actually, in the area. Disney closed theirs too. But the theme parks are operational, or as much as they can be, I guess. This is gonna be a fun, interesting time here at Universal. But what other better way to do it, being a Floridian, than going during a hurricane? I'll see a single soul playing mini golf. You know, it'd be a cool mini golf in the hurricane. Well, I'm meeting my friend here at the Chood Emporium, and yeah, I am drenched. I did a jet across City Walk, and I am completely soaked, like I just got off a log flume or something. Whew. Yeah, it was gonna be a fun day. Stopped off at the Chood Emporium. Corbin's goes to some more because he's getting a drink. I got a nice brownie milkshake. This thing is bomb, and you get to keep the cup.
She said she was thinking of retiring because of all the steward restrictions.
And a brownie. Not a fan of the brownie, it's dark chocolate. But this is straight milk chocolate. The brownie pieces inside it is delicious. $18, but yum, yum, yum. Well, the weather has cleared and we are footing our way to Islands of Adventure now. Our outdoor rides seem operational, so it's a good sign. We are able to express Velocicoaster, so we'll be able to do that as well.
What are we going to do with them anyway?
Light crowd levels for sure here. The longest wait is Hippogriff right now, 45 minutes. Hulk just launched up. Should be good and solid to go and get on Velocicoaster.
What?
We set foot into Marvel Island. The Hulk roars. Hey, there's people here. Not like a normal day by any means, though. I'd say about half. Making our way to Velocicoaster. As she flies by. Posted a standby queue of 35 minutes. Luckily, with our Premier Express, we don't gotta wait that. I'm such a staple in the roller coaster lineup, not just here at Universal, but in all of Florida. Enthusiasts around the world rave about this coaster. She's still staying strong in my top 10. Not sure for how much longer, but she's definitely still there. Only a posted 25-minute wait. I've never seen it this empty. Yeah, so pro tip, come during a hurricane.
Make sure to empty any beverages
Essentially, yeah.
before placing it in the locker.
It's not too long of a queue at all. I've waited hours for this coaster before. This is nice. It goes about here. It's still not horrible for standby. We're gonna get right past them, though. Hi, everybody. Bye, everybody. Oh, wow, this is a wreck. Even Express. Hello, Blue. Blue's in here somewhere. How you doing, Blue? Oh, nice. Alright, see you in the flippity flop. Yet another fantastic ride there on the Velocicoaster. Now, pro tip, ride right after a rainstorm. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but the first launch felt a little bit faster, a little slicker. We got a little more air time in those first pops. Second half was about average, normal. But either way, great roller coaster altogether. Just infinite blitz, beauty of a roller coaster, Velocicoaster. That lovely, beautiful top hat. Love it. Been quite the lengthy time since I've been on River Adventure. It was down for a refurb for quite some time. I had a chance to do it today though. 10-minute posted standby entrance. Something that's really overlooked now is this model of Isla Nublar. Jurassic Park. Beautiful. Now they yell at me when I take you toward a drop room in that final part, but I do have success showing you parts of the ride, so let's see what I can show you today here. Yeah, this is empty. This is a walk right on.
45 miles per hour, actually exceeding the top speed of modern buses.
You don't even need express, yeah, it's not even a 10-minute wait. It's simply been to walk on. Here we go, guys.
Here we go.
Ever smooth. The river and giants walk here. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Mosasaurus fell down. Oh yeah, okay.
Got some water.
But despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us.
Yo, chew with your mouth shut. This guy needs an update.
Thorns dinosaurs, a group of herbivores that includes Triceratops and the mighty Triceratops.
One animal at a time.
That one's got a stroke.
Vegetation from their native periods, ensuring long,
His tail's moving.
lives for these magnificent animals. Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
Jurassic Park animal control. It looks like one of the hadrosaurs has knocked your boat off course. You are entering the raptor containment area. Please, stay seated. We'll grab your boat at the rescue dock ahead. Do not get out of the boat. Chasing animal control to CP25. There's a tour boat off course in the raptor containment area. We've got to get those people out of there. Do you copy CP25? Grab the boat before they get too far. Come back, CP25.
Alright, right in there is where they yelled at me last time for filming, so I'll see you guys in a flippity flop. And down the drop there, lovely time here in Jurassic River Adventure. They did work on the animatronics in the first part of the ride. As you can see, they do seem to flow a little better, and the ones that were missing last time, they're actually back. So yeah, definitely needed some TLC, and I'm glad it got it. Great job. Still never got the point of a people dryer leaving a water ride. You know what's crazy? They have people dryers at Aquatica where I work, and like it just baffles me. You're gonna come to a water park and then pay $5 to dry, and you can just stand in the sun for literally 10 minutes and it'll do the same exact thing. Oh, that's a cool model of Velocicoaster. I wonder what the price tag is on it. $200. That is sexy though. You buy just the train for $40, and it's only one car. Still cool though. Gonna fancy ourselves a ride on the dark ride here, Skull Island Ring of Kong. It was a 10-minute wait earlier. It doesn't well, we have express either which way. 5-minute wait. Might as well go see the actual queue. From what I understand, you still don't come outside in the attraction. They haven't fixed that part of it yet, which is literally, you know, you used to come all around here in the tour bus, and that has been operational over a year. I'm not sure what they're waiting on. The Express might be longer than the standby. And that's right, this is no longer a 3D experience. No more glasses.
Main cage system. My job is to get you to Team 2 in one piece. Maybe that was a con. Don't look so mighty now. This place gives me the creeps.
Much bigger than the bats we saw in the Marvel Cave, that's for sure.
Hiya, Kate.
Hey, Jinx. Park the truck over there. Simon, we're gonna need help putting up the tracks. Joe, how's it look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great. I hate these flying rats. Vortexes! Take cover! Joe!
Hang on, Kate. We're coming.
great ride there on Skull Island Ring-A-Con. Yeah, great animatronic towards the end. It's actually one of my favorite animatronics of all time, and it's so gigantic in your face and it just moves so smoothly. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. When in Rome, always a good time here on the amazing adventures of SpiderMan. Let's do it. Only post us 10-minute standby queue, but we got the Express. The bugle that is dead.
Have I got news for you?
I love this room. You don't get part of the regular queue. Over to the Express. Here, we're coming here. Ah, that is weird. Huh.
Hello? This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal! With SpiderMan nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means.
Tell Gargoyles this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
That's SpiderMan! That no good. Red retard.
Everything's going as planned. Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even SpiderMan won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Out of the way, they're mine. Good enough for your city.
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm letting you down from here.
Oh no!
You punks are short-circuited our plans, Magneto!
You're taking a dive.
Guess again, Super Goo!
Now, when the scoop comes to a stop, carefully raise your left arm and exit the vehicle. Make sure you take all your personal belongings.
Another great ride visiting the Daily Bugle and helping SpiderMan across New York City. I do love it. It is a timeless ride here. As we exit into a gift shop. Yeah, it's a great walk-on day. Minus Hagrid's, but... Love the empty Universal days. Kind of fancy a ride in the hole. Can't even show you the queue though, so it's always gonna do that next. This Dr. Doom's, yeah, they're sending out empty gondolas for sure. Nice atmosphere here in Marvel Island. You hear the Hulk roaring, it's about to get launched. There it comes. Was able to snag 2 back-to-back rides there in the Hulk. It is completely a walk-on. 1/3 row, 1/5 row. And it definitely, that launch felt amplified today. Actually grayed out on a few of the inversions here. It's because I'm not hydrated. Definitely, in today's not that hot of a day, but hydration is key, especially when riding roller coasters like this one. And that's going to be a wrap today, guys, here from Universal's Islands of Adventure. It was a blast bringing you back to this park. It's been quite the time since I've been here. Love the timeless attractions here. As always, guys, if it's your first time to the channel, do me a favor, like and subscribe down below. Until then, we'll catch you guys next time.
Theme Park Temple, loving every ride. Theme Park Temple, feel the thrill inside. Theme Park Temple, stream it every night. Theme Park Temple, stop, beat, ride the light.